Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a fried fish sandwich. And the first ingredient for the tartar sauce is 2 tablespoons of mayo and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Then we're going to take 1 tablespoon of capers and roughly chop those up. And then add it to the other things in the bowl. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sweet relish. And then we're going to finely grate 1 garlic clove real fine with a microplaner. I wouldn't go as far as 2 buds. 1 is more than enough for this tartar sauce. Now here I'm trying to grate 1 lemon at the rind, and it just wasn't cooperating. So I did the best I could. Not sure what to say. And I mixed everything up together and then put it in the refrigerator. Now let's start making the fish. So I'm using 2 pieces of wild haddock fillets, and each one is individually wrapped. I love this brand. For someone single like me, it's like there is 0 waste. So I prefer to pat dry the fillets, just the way I roll. And then we're going to beat 1 egg by hand and then add half a cup of cold beer. And I'm using light beer, but if you don't drink, you could always use the same amount, half a cup of club soda will do the same magic trick for you as with the beer. Just make sure it's real cold. So lightly mix up this mixture, and now we're going to add it to the batter. And we're going to lightly mix this up. And the first time I made this, it was too runny. I used way too much beer, I think like a cup. 1 cup is way too much. So half a cup really did the trick for me. And super, the fish just stuck to it like nobody's business. And so now we're ready. So we're going to put it into the dry mixture, which is also called the dredge. And then slide the batter mix bowl up, and then carefully slide it into the 375-degree oil. And we're going to cook this until it's lovely golden brown. And if you're wanting to check the internal temperature after you take this out, it should be between 125 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. How long will it take? Well, it could be between 4 and 7 minutes, but it'll depend on the temperature of the fish and the size of the fish fillet as well. So we're going to just let this continue bubbling away, and there, perfectly done. I'm going to put that aside. Now piece number 2 into the dredge, and then into the batter, and give that puppy a real good drenching of the batter. Don't be cheap. And this amount of batter will actually probably do 4 to 6 pieces of a similar size fish. You can see here I have quite a bit left. So now we're going to just deep fry fish fillet number 2 for a few minutes. So the temperature dropped down to 370, and it kept on fluctuating between 375 and 370. My advice, don't try and push the temperature thing, like turn it up to super high, and then you're going to jump up to like 390, 400. You know, it only takes one splatter and you got an oil fire on your hands, and that's not fun. I went through it once many years ago, so keep it around 375 and you're good. So here we go. So let's build this sandwich, and I'm gonna put the nice, delicious, tangy, sweet homemade tartar sauce, a couple of pickled mini cucumbers. These are Persian mini cucumbers that I make in a jar, and then top it off with more tartar and serve with some home fries, and perfect. A meal fit for a king. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Come back soon.